brothers and sisters. Oh yeah. Welcome to the van, man. Check out these lights. We got some cool lights, yeah. Let's talk about the climate of the region. It's uninhabitably warm for the winter. Like, geez Louise. Are we wintering? Are we not wintering? Climate change. Yeah. Yeah. So, I want to talk about fear. Fear in my own personal life. So, fear. What am I afraid of? Blah, blah, blah. I'm afraid of discomfort. Am I? No. I'm afraid of having to form new patterns. Discomfort is kind of okay with me. I'm very comfortable with being discomfortable. It's the whole aligning with discomfort that's scary. It's like, fuck. Now I have to, like, make that a new thing? Ugh. The main fear I want to talk about is me having a lot of money and having an address and buying a lot of bullshit. I could see myself buying Hoppe for sure. Like, number one purchase is going to be like a dickload of Hoppe. And then I'm going to be a Hoppe user. Nothing wrong with that. It's just going to be me. 100% already owning up to it. Then I'm going to buy a lot of acid. I'm going to buy a lot of mushrooms. Might even buy some ayahuasca. Or DMT. Probably both. And the universe is going to be like, we've unleashed a monster. He can't stop. And I'm like, no, I can't stop. I'm a monster. I'm only being honest because I've had some beverages. Otherwise, I'd be people pleasing. Wow. A lot of my YouTube channel is people pleasing. Whoa. That's enlightening. Anyway, so back to the content. My pants are unbuttoned, just so you know. It could go down at any moment. I just took a pee. I just talked to my brother. It was good. Good convo. I felt he was sober, so it was me. I wasn't dominating the conversation, but I could tell I was guiding the conversation. It's funny that I'm desiring to have psychedelic experiences because I know when I'm in the psychedelic experience, I'm going to be like, oh my god, this is terrifying. Get me out of this. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. It's not what's really happening. I don't know. I look up to the Psych Substance channel. What's his nuts? I forgot his name, but anyway. He seems to be a champ with the psychedelics. Now he's on the TRT doing the psychedelics. I'm like, I'd like to do a parallel channel with him. I'm not quite on the TRT level. I'm on the low jack TRT, which is natural. Natural. Cacti. I'd like to have some more cacti experiences. I only had one. That one. It was very underwhelming / overwhelming. This chances of this video going public are 0. So my brother is still in negotiations with his landlord to get a spot for his escape room. Which I don't think is ever going to happen, but kudos to him. Blessings, wishes, manifestations towards him. If that's his path in life, blessings. I just want, I want my path in life. I'm ready for my path in life. I'm ready to lead. I'm ready to follow. Whatever the fuck needs to happen. I'm golden. I'm golden crisps. I'm a toasty motherfucker. Let's get this. I'm toasty marshmallow. Douglas, how about you? I'm proud. I'm burnt. Take me out the fire. I've been in the fire for too long. Hey, Chubby Cheeks. Come up here. Full disclosure, van life. I pooped in a barrel earlier today. Not nigh of 1 hour ago. It was great. Might poop again. Who knows? Friends? Friends aren't that hard for me to get. Like, I already have friends in Cincinnati. I want to learn a musical instrument. So, hold me accountable. The bass. The bass, man. How about you? Man, you look good. You look good. You look good. You look like a fresh piece of shit. He's back to his spot. And he's from. Interesting life. Interesting life. Interesting life. So, I was talking to my mom earlier about my ex. And she posted a picture of her at a wedding. I was like, this is what I wore at the wedding. And everyone was like, congratulations on the wedding. I'm cutting this out. I just wanted to say this because there's a girl in Cincinnati that I have a crush on. Is the universe moving me towards this girl? That'd be sweet. This video is 100% now getting posted. But she's adorable. 21. Does jujitsu. Wears ridiculous clothing. Smiles like a ridiculous person. I just like that. I don't know. It's not like your ordinary person.